WD-40, hacks that can save you $3,000 or ruin your car. If you have a $6 can of WD-40 sitting in your garage, you might be holding one of the cheapest ways to prevent thousands in car repairs. Used right, it can fix problems before they start. Used wrong, it can create damage that mechanics love to charge for. Today, we're going through 10 genius ways to use WD-40 the smart way, plus one massive mistake that could wreck your brakes and cost you your safety. We will also break down which version of WD-40 to use for each job, because the wrong spray in the wrong spot can turn a smart fix into an expensive disaster. Welcome to Built-in Boost, where we break down the hype, cut through the marketing, and give you the real story behind the badge. Let's get into it. Number 1. Finding hidden vacuum leaks. If your engine idles rough, stumbles at red lights, or gives you random check engine lights, you might be dealing with a vacuum leak. These small leaks mess with your air to fuel ratio, kill your gas mileage, and eventually damage your engine. Here's the simple trick. Start the engine and lightly spray WD-40 around the vacuum lines. If the idle suddenly changes, you found your leak, the WD-40 gets sucked in, temporarily sealing the gap and telling you exactly where the problem is. Unlike carb cleaner, WD-40 is safer. It will not ignite easily, and it will not melt plastics or damage sensors. This simple trick can save you from paying a mechanic $150 just to find the problem, and potentially save your engine from long-term damage. Number 2, protecting electrical connectors before they fail. Moisture and wires do not mix. Over time, that moisture turns into corrosion, and that corrosion leads to expensive failures. A misfiring sensor might turn into a $700 ECU replacement, and all of it could have started from a little rust inside a plug. Here's where the original WD-40 formula works beautifully. Just spray it on clean and powered down connectors, and it forms a water blocking barrier that keeps corrosion from starting. But if you are working with delicate electronics, there is a better option. Use WD-40 Specialist Contact Cleaner. It dries fast, leaves no residue, and gives long-term protection without attracting dust or dirt. Preserve rubber seals and weather stripping. Ever tried to open your car door in winter and felt like it was glued shut? That is your rubber door seals drying out and cracking. When they fail, water gets in, and that leads to mildew, damaged wiring, and soaked carpets. Some people use regular WD-40 on rubber, but that is a mistake, because the petroleum in it can degrade rubber over time. Instead, use WD-40 silicone spray. It is made to keep rubber soft, flexible, and water resistant. Spray it on clean rubber every few months. Wipe away any excess, and you will keep your seals from cracking or sticking. A few sprays here can prevent $2,000 in water damage inside your car. Number 4, remove tree sap safely. Tree sap is more than a sticky mess. It is acidic, and if left too long, it will eat through your paint's clear coat. Spray WD-40 directly on the sap. Let it sit for a minute, then wipe it off with a microfiber cloth. Follow up with soap and water, then a fresh coat of wax. You just avoided hundreds in paint correction, and possibly a repaint worth $2,000. Just do not let it bake under the sun, and always clean the area after using it. Number 5, clean up faded license plates. Sunday, salt and road grime fade plates fast, and in some states, a hard-to-read plate can get you a ticket. WD-40 lifts that grime instantly. Just remove the plate, wash it, then spray WD-40 and wipe it with a clean cloth. Your plate will look newer in seconds. It will not restore reflectivity, but it will look sharp and readable again, which might be the difference between getting pulled over or driving away clean. Number 6, free up rusted bolts without breaking them. Snapping a bolt mid-repair is not just frustrating, it is costly. WD-40 Specialist Penetrant is built for this job. It seeps into rusted threads, breaks up corrosion, and makes bolts easier to turn. Tests show it can cut torque requirements nearly in half. Spray, wait a few minutes, and then turn. You will save your tools, your time, and maybe your whole repair project. Number 7, make chrome shine like new. Chrome bumpers, grills, and trim pick up water spots, grime, and even tar. WD-40 cuts through it all. Spray it on, wipe it with a microfiber cloth, and watch dull chrome come back to life. It also leaves a thin layer that helps prevent future rust. For heavier buildup, you can use fine steel wool with it. WD-40 will help polish without damaging the surface. Rescue a flooded ignition system after a car wash, a puddle, or a big rainstorm. Your engine might not start. Moisture in the ignition system is often the reason. Disconnect the battery. Spray WD-40 on the distributor cap, spark plug boots, and coil connections. Let it dry, reconnect everything, and try again. This little move can save you from calling a tow truck and get your car running without spending a dime. Number 9, clean up oil spills and greasy parts. WD-40 breaks down motor oil, engine grease, and even driveway stains. Spray it on engine parts before you scrub, or use it to lift greasy residue off tools and hands. Just make sure to rinse thoroughly afterward. It is a garage cleanup hack that saves time and protects surfaces. Number 10. Remove stickers, decals, bug splatter, and tar. WD-40 can soften adhesives and dissolve bug guts in seconds. Spray directly on the surface, let it sit, and wipe clean with a microfiber cloth. It is gentle on paint when used properly, but always test a small area first. Number 11. Prevent mud and grime buildup off-road. Before heading out on a muddy trail, spray WD-40 on wheel wells, undercarriage parts, and bumpers. It forms a barrier that helps mud slide off more easily, makes cleanup way faster, and prevents gunk from drying and hardening. Number 12. Lubricate hood latches, strut mounts, and hinges. If your hood squeaks or is hard to open, use WD-40 Smart Straw to hit the latch and joints. You can also use it on trunk hinges and strut mounts that groan in cold weather. It prevents rust, reduces friction, and keeps those parts moving smoothly. Number 13. Restore cloudy headlights. WD-40 will not permanently fix oxidation, but it can temporarily restore shine to cloudy headlights. Spray it on, let it sit for a few minutes, and wipe clean with a cloth. It brings back clarity and helps water bead off the lens. A great cosmetic fix before a sale or inspection. Number 14. Shine and protect dashboard plastics. WD-40 can be used to clean and protect interior plastic surfaces. Spray a little on a cloth, then wipe down your dashboard. Console edges and plastic trim. It removes grime, adds shine, and leaves a protective layer that helps repel dust. Just do not oversaturate, and never spray directly on electronics. Number 15. Why spraying scratches is a bad idea. Spraying WD-40 on a scratch might make it look better temporarily, but it does not fix the paint, and that oily layer will attract dust, which eventually causes more damage. Instead, use a real scratch removal product designed for clear coat repair. Number 16. Never spray WD-40 on your brakes. It sounds obvious, but people still do it. WD-40 is a lubricant, and your brakes rely on friction to work. Spraying it on pads or rotors reduces stopping power and can contaminate your brake system permanently. If your brakes squeak, use a proper brake cleaner. WD-40 even makes one designed for this exact job. Final thoughts. WD-40 is a versatile tool, but only if you use the right formula. Use the original for water displacement and general protection. Contact cleaner for electronics. Silicone spray for rubber, and penetrant for rusted bolts. Never spray it on brakes, on engine internals, or anything that depends on precise friction or calibration. Use it smart, and that $6 can might be the cheapest insurance you ever bought for your car. If this video helped give you a clearer picture of what hybrids are all about, hit that subscribe button and check out our other videos on car ownership. Drop a comment with your experience if you own or are considering a hybrid. We would love to hear what worked and what did not. Thanks for watching, and we will see you next time.